sa labas. Pupunta na kami sa labas. Magpapalabas na kami. Say hi to my vlog. If you like this video, you can share, like, and follow.
Okay lang. Pwede na magpalipad naman dito.
So yun guys, nararamdaman ko na yung hampas ng lamig sa mukha ko.
Hanapin ka na. Mga magkalugtong yun. Klase mo rin.
So malapit na kami. One lang to guys, mga 30 to 45 minutes lang kami sa labas. Aakyat na rin kami. Babalik rin. So malamig na nga guys. Wala pa naman akong gloves guys.
Kasi mo yung boxing gloves din. May boxing gloves din, dalawa.
Ngayon na yung mga sasalubong sa amin guys.
Yung mga residente dito.
Ayan. So ayan na guys. Akala mo mga patay yung kan eh. Mga sili.
Ito na kayo isa.
Akala mo mga patay no. Tutulog lang pala.
Look, they are getting ready.
So who is getting the dinner? Do you see the bigger one, the morning one?
Yes.
Really big, right?
They are bigger.
Ayan na guys, wini-welcome na nila
Quite
kami.
big in the morning.
Hindi nila income.
Welcome.
Oh,
Can you swim? Look at this one raising hands. Look. Africa, they're raising hands.
Welcome.
Dito, dito.
Ayan na sila, nagwe-welcome na.
let go, let go, let go, let go.
Ayan yung barko namin guys.
Okay guys, if you can please move to the back, then bring your legs towards the front of the boat. So bring your legs towards the ocean, so step out, please. And straight up the beach, please. Nice and slowly up the beach. Straight up there, please.
Yay, Mina.
Go,
Oi, Yay. Leonard, happy to see ya.
straight up the beach by the flag. Those are not waterproof,
Oh.
my friend. Those are not waterproof.
Muntik pang napasukan ng tubig yung kwan ko.
This one like you, just like I'm here for you.
Ayan na guys, andito na kami. Ayan na guys ah.